Hey guys, it's susctopus here. Hey guys, it's susctopus here. I'm drinking Hawaiian punch. I'm getting angry. Grrr. Meow. What was it? When was it since the last? What was it? Since the last audio test? Hey guys, it's susctopus here, and welcome to susctopus audio test number 3. Oh my god, I haven't done any recording since like August, July. It has been so long. Recording this now, it has been so fucking long since the last time I've recorded something, because I can't record all the time, and I'm getting kind of afraid of just not having the audio recordings ready for the Grey Garden video, because I haven't been recording shit. The script has been like finished nearly. Yo, see the bottle? I'm all on that Snoop Dogg shit. Nico, cheetah. Arg, I hate it. I'm not like the other girl, you know. Hey guys, it's susctopus here, back again with another Mepios call out post. This is war, Mepios. This is war. So you're gonna talk to me now? So that's the way you're gonna be. Hey guys, I guess was good. Yeah, something came in the mail today. These nuts. Ha! Gotti! Ha! Gotti! Hey Squidward. We right. Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Help me! This is just one giant schizo rant. Just because I have time to record. I'm supposed to be recording the fucking Grey Garden video right now, but I'm sitting here doing these like stupid ass impressions. And oh my gosh, susctopus is posting a new video. Let's check it out. Hey guys, it's susctopus here. Today we're going to Mommy, what the fuck is he saying? In the year 2020, there will be global pandemic called COVID-19. Hey guys, it's susctopus here. Wow. Did you guys know that Lil B followed me on Twitter, the base god? This is so cool. This is so cool. The base god is following me. The base god was following me on Twitter. Just like that one time Shoe Nice followed me. Or maybe that one time Chester Stone followed me. No, that was Train's account. But that one time Stunna Boy joined my Discord server. And that was really awesome. That was awesome. When you go outside and smell that Zaza! Dr. Phil. Oh no, bitch, myself. Yeah, I'm in the coop with the cutter. Yeah, sipping the wah. Yeah, posting with my blood. We on the wah. Sometime he call me and be like, yo, can you please give me the thug shaker, dude, shake your ass. Yay, Jesus gang, you correct. Y'all always ask for boo when you Budapest. Hey, if they don't play this, call the DJ. This versus shut down the freeway. Born in the A, you can't impeach, yay. The case so brief, don't bring your briefcase. Whah! Yo, y'all see this big ass dick? I went for my stunner girls. I got lotion on my dick right now. I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick. I'm stroking my shit. I'm horny as fuck, man. I'm a freak, man. Like, for real. You know what? You'd be the type of person to eat a glizzy. And not just a glizzy, though. With relish. You look like you left your chrome hard hat in the backseat of an Uber. Boy, I know. He's lit! Straight up! This kid was bullied for wearing Fila shoes, but listen to how he responded. Holy fuck. I'm coming. Lois. What'd he say? What'd he say? Had a little Uzi Vert be around his security. I'm gonna blow. Hi, hello, hi. Yo, it's hump day. Hey, what I need you to do is tag 3 big dick ass. Hey yo, we finna run up some lean with Patrick Bateman on the Breaking Bad irony. Fake talking Benz. Drunk drivers. He doesn't have to be cats if they were a blueberry. Fuck you, Asian bitch! Pear habor! Okay, Tomo, I love you, man. Imagine having beef with me. I'm just a funny jokester. A silly little guy. You're gonna have beef with a silly little guy? For shame. I would have stayed in the nutsack if I knew it was gonna be days like this. Buddy. Jesse. Talk about low budget flights. No food or movies. I'm out of here. I'm Pickle Rick. Ha ha ha. I'm laughing to the bank. Hey, ha ha ha. Man, what the fuck going on in the Kanye Discord? Are your cookies really worth it? Think about it. I want some cheeseburgers to eat. Police pulled up, so I told my homie to hide the drugs in my ass. Bro started fingering my asshole, and I nutted all over the cop. Look at me in the eyes. Do you feel it? The madness consuming your mind. The utter despair in the face of the inevitable. Meow. I'm proud as hell for CP. I'm here for CP. Man, he came to my first finals, and this week I'm giving it back to him. Guys, I swear, CP meant Chris Paul in this case. Please. It was Chris Paul. It was Chris Paul, I swear. I swear, guys, it was Chris Paul. Did you know that, fuck, what was his name? Chris Pratt wants to be called CP? Oh my god. I've been doing this for so fucking long. Brr. I literally just wasted the entire recording session. Now I can't fucking record for the Grey Garden video no more. I fucking hate my life.